Okay, so a quick update on the neutral safety switch here. So this sliding piece that I showed in one of my previous videos, the plastic part here had broken off. So I tried a few things, and most recently I had put a screw in, which just kind of came loose again. So I took the switch back apart, and I tried epoxying the whole thing together as best I could with a screw in there. And then my idea is just, I need to build out the screw so it's about the same width as this plastic piece. So I tried to just center the screw right in the center of where the old piece would go and kind of get it positioned best I could, and just left it a little bit longer. Then I'm going to probably build it up with some tape or something. And you just got to keep the epoxy low enough so it's not any thicker than the overall plastic, so it'll still slide inside the green piece. So yeah, I use the really strong JB Weld. That's like the 15-hour cure stuff. My dad had some of that I borrowed off of him. So it takes a lot longer. I didn't want to use it the first time because I wanted to get the car back together. And also I had just tried to glue the actual tang on, but this time, after trying everything else, I used the stronger stuff that takes a lot longer to cure. So I did it last night. It's been sitting overnight for longer than it said it needs to set up for. So, and yeah, so this, I had tried gluing this back on with some weaker stuff, but I ended up taking it apart so I could actually get the epoxy back here, and I put some into the hole I had drilled to put the screw in. So yeah, that's what I'm up against right now. Hopefully it'll work this time. It's near impossible to find a replacement for this. So if this video has been posted, it means that it worked. And if it hasn't, then if I haven't put this up, obviously it didn't work. So yeah, if you're watching this now, it means that this worked and that the switch works properly. So anyways, a little update there on the car, and thanks for watching.